Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Stinger Flynn Clock. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the body. Let's draw a large curve across the top. Then from both ends, let's bring it down and curve it in. And then close it off at the bottom with the curve across. Next, let's move inside and let's draw a circle at the top for the eye. And then another circle inside on the bottom left. And let's color this one in black. Next, let's hop underneath the eye and let's draw a curve. Then let's curve it out and down on both sides. Then let's continue it by curving it out. Then let's bring it down and out on both sides again. And now let's curve it down and in at the bottom. Next, let's hop into the center and let's draw a circle. And now let's add the clock hands. On top, let's draw 2 vertical lines up. And a line across the top. Now let's hop down on the left and let's draw 2 shorter angles out. And again, let's close off the end. And that's it for the Stinger Flynn Clock. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!